Good morning, dear students. Today I am taking some important questions on the topic determinants from exercise 4.2. That is question number 13. Show that, and this question is 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab minus 2b, 2ab, 1 minus a square plus b square, 2a, 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Determinant is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. We use the property, and the property number 3, applying C1 as C1 plus C1 minus BC3 and C2 as C2 plus AC3. Thus we get, after applying this, it means C1 will be changed. How will it change? We multiply C3 by B and subtract it from the elements of C1. Thus we get 1 plus a square plus b square, 0, and b plus a square b plus b cube in column 1. And C2 will also change. C2 becomes C2 plus AC3. That means we are adding AC3 to C2. Every element of C3 will be multiplied by A and then added to column 2. Thus we get column 2 is 0, 1 plus a square plus b square minus a common 1 plus a square plus b square, and C3 remain same because change is in C1 and C2. Now you can take common 1 plus a square plus b square from C1. That becomes C1 become 1, 0 and b. B will take common, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square. So that comes out. And from C2, column 2, you also take 1 plus a square plus b square as common. So C2 becomes 0, 1 minus a. And column 3 remain as it is, minus 2, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Now we have maximum zeros in our determinants. So see here, there are two factors already present, 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square, into the value of determinant that is easily calculated by previous method, 1 into cross multiply of the determinant obtained by removing that row and that column in which that one lies, and similarly minus 0 because the second element is 0, 0 into that, and third plus b into that. We are finding the value of determinant along first column. So value is again obtained 1 plus a square plus b square. So we have 3 1 plus a square plus b square multiply 1 plus a square plus b square multiply 1 plus a square plus b square, that will give you 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Thus we get right hand side. Now there is another question number 14, where the question the determinant has a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So in this we multiply our row 1 by a and row 2 by b and row 3 by c. So we are multiplying it uh, by ABC. So we will divide it by ABC because we are doing it doing external multiplication. So by similar number we will divide so that there will be no effect. So we write 1 upon A, B, C, and row 1 is multiplied with A, row 2 is multiplied with B, and row 3 is multiplied with C. And now take common from column 1 A, and from column 2 B, and from column 3 C. Thus we get ABC upon ABC from outside, and inner side of determinant becomes A square plus 1 B square C square, A square B square plus 1 C square, A square B square C square plus 1 as a column element. That is, A, B, C will cancel out. You get A square plus 1, A square, B square plus 1, B square, C square, and C square plus 1. Now R1 becomes R1 plus R2 plus R3. The change will be on R1, row 1. How this is possible? We will see the right hand side of the result and get the similar value by adding R1, R2, R3. So we add these all and change will be in R1. Thus we get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square in R1. R2 and R3 remain same. Now take common 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square from R1. We get here 1, 1, 1. B square plus 1 C square, B square, and C square, and C square plus 1. Now C2 becomes C2 minus C1, and C3 becomes C3 minus C1. We will make maximum zeros. So we apply C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1 operation. C1 is fixed. So 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square remains as it is, and we get 1 B square A square is C square, and column 2 0 1 0, and column 3 0 1 1. Thus we have maximum 0 in this determinant. We can calculate it by our method of calculation. So 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square multiply 1 into 1 1 is 1 minus 0, and minus 0 into something plus 0 into something, that is result is 0. So we get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square into 1, that is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. That is your right hand side. Now students, we have already solved question number 6 by the method of schistometric matrix. It can also be solved by another method, transposition. We know that a transpose of a determinant value of transpose of a matrix is equal to determinant value of matrix. This is the property, and we suppose we consider left hand side of this determinant is determinant A. So A is equal to this 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Here we transpose it, we get A transpose. Here some is, so A, this is A transpose, not determinant A transpose, not determinant A. So because we know that A transpose, determinant A transpose is equal to A determinant A. So determinant A will be also equal to transpose. Transpose of A is this 0 minus B A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Now take common from column 1 minus a, from column 2 minus 1, and from column 3 minus 1. So from each column we get 3 minus 1, which will be multiplied minus 1 from column A. So column A element will become 0, minus A, B. And again taking common from minus 1 from columns 2, that is the elements become A, 0, C. And again take common minus 1 from column 3, we get minus B, minus C, 0. Thus we have minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 multiply minus 1 power 3, that will give you minus sign. And so the value is determinant A is equal to minus, and this value, this is the determinant which is already given, determinant A. So we get determinant A is equal to minus determinant A. That implies taking one side, 2 determinant A is equal to 0. So determinant A is 0. Thus we can get the value of right hand side. Now you have some practice questions. Question number 10, 11, 15 and 16. बच्चों काम आप डेली करिए, कहीं दिक्कत होती है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. अब सैटरडे को आपका हर सैटरडे को एक क्लास टेस्ट लिया जाएगा, जिसमें हर बच्चे को पार्टिसिपेट करना है और आंसर की अपने फ़ोटो खींचकर मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे उसको भेजना होगा. ये कंपलसरी है. इसके मार्क्स भी आगे काउंट किए जाएंगे, टेस्ट के मार्क्स. तो इसको सीरियसली लेना और काम रेगुलर करना, और जहाँ दिक्कत होती है वहाँ आप पूछ सकते हो ताकि आपकी समस्या का समाधान हो सके. और मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि एक ऑनलाइन उसमें टेस्ट इन्वर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन में दिया गया था, उसका मेरे पास कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आया. इस तरीके से न करिए, क्योंकि हम लोग भी इसमें मेहनत कर रहे हैं, सारे लोग लगे हुए हैं कि आप बच्चे किसी तरह घर में बैठे अपनी पढ़ाई कर सकें. पूरा सिस्टम लगा हुआ है. आप भी थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाइए, क्योंकि आपको भी आगे जा कर के ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे अपना रिज़ल्ट दिखाना है. इसलिए कहीं नॉलेज में कमी रही तो वो आगे आपके लिए नुकसानदेह हो सकता है. और हमारी आपके साथ शुभकामनाएं हैं. आप रेगुलर काम करिए, जितना काम आपको दिया जाता है उसको पूर्ण करिए, और आशा करता हूं कि आप इन बातों पर गौर करेंगे और आगे से जो टेस्ट आपको दिए जाएंगे उनका आंसर आप मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे फ़ोटो करेंगे. और कोई दिक्कत कोई उसमें आती है तो उसको आप पूछ सकते हैं. और ये सब बच्चों के लिए कंपलसरी है. जितने मैथमेटिक्स के बच्चे हैं सारे बच्चे इसको करेंगे, चाहे कॉमर्स के बच्चे हों चाहे साइंस के बच्चे हों, क्योंकि ये एक्टिविटी जो है आपकी रिकॉर्ड की जाएगी. इसको आगे उसमें एक्स्ट्रा जो उसमें प्रैक्टिकल्स वगैरह उसमें कहीं करना होता है तो वहाँ भी हमको फिर जज करना पड़ता है कि बच्चे ने किस तरीके से परफॉर्म किया हुआ है. सो हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं. आप अच्छे से रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और अच्छे से काम करिए. धन्यवाद. ओके, आपका दिन मंगलमय हो.